This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Suzanne Eden. Located in the heart of Farragut, this beautiful two-story home boasts a light-filled open floor plan leading to a private outdoor entertaining area that includes a covered patio, saltwater pool and outdoor cooking area. The heart of the home features a great room boasting 20-foot ceilings and a beautiful stacked stone fireplace. Open to the large kitchen with oversized island and keeping room, it's the perfect space for entertaining all your friends and family. The main level owner's suite offers his and her closets, dual vanities, large walk-in shower and a separate soaker tub. 3 additional bedrooms, 3 full baths and a large bonus room make up the second level. You'll never want to leave home, as this one has it all. Open house Sunday 4/11 to 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock. For more information, review the details below.